Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Idikot ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakasngi thoding. Kilapan paw ya kijing snguhon. Bakilayo banyakran markamat. Bat menteri rang ba kajala Konrad K. Sangma. Halor kibabun kimat ki jura. Kane kijing ikendu kalong. Hakapor bakal don ka kubor halor kijing ya per jingmut. Bat kijing bom ya baik. Hapo ka Sorkar MDA kamtam hakabayaday bat kijing bom tere u Konrad manwengno ya menteri James PK Sangma. Kinang yalam jong kiseng san pertai kibadon haka MDA kibakin thop kum ka NPP BJP HSPDP NCP Kanam PDF bat ki MLA Shimet kilai keran halor kimat kibedai bat ka MECL Social Welfare kajing ya kajiaput bat ka Assam nalor kiwaipat hadin balawai kajing yalam kinang yalam jong kini kiseng san pertai kilapan pau ba kilas ngutanat shibun ba kilayo ya kalat banyakran bat menteri rang ba kajala bat kila ongru makinang ya beteng banyakendu nakapor sya kapor.
Nataray kabuhatam kalong pa inyakran baik bagi siang unalami menta namalagi nakalihat di member kebeda napo ka kami kajingkat ke jawab siang ilayo banyakran sibun ki isu kamtam tiba yadai buat kanita jingi keduk lang nakalihat tu lapan syai yang ini bentar beda bukan sebagai haru tambah kapaham pikiran badunga kaya kambah nakalihat jungi di member kita dan lah kami tinggal ada penyelidikan ada penyelidikan terkasih mentah siang dan tambah so terakhir kali kami tangga bagi okat mentah lakut no ini hampir kenduk ya ini kenduk baik ya kena kerja kenduk haban khot baik nak awai ke pos bagi kalian ngejungi ke member ke medan lang tu borok tiada kau proposal kalau mbah man punai haban khot ini kerja kenduk kenang makan jingat baik ya nanti Sorkar berkamtam. So we have discussed so many issues. There is a discussion with the visit of the Honorable Home Minister, and we have discussed about the this Slovakia scheme, and we have discussed with the social welfare and others important. There will be a meeting between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and the Chief Minister of Assam. So it is too early to comment anything now because talk will going on for this. He has constituted inquiry, so we will wait for an inquiry committee to report us within 3 months. I have view with that agenda which has given to us. Agenda number 1 regarding with the visit of the Home Minister, then number 2 relating with this Slovakia scheme, another thing with the MECL, then number 3 with this boundary, interstate boundary dispute, and then social welfare and others important matters.
Very satisfied. We have deliberated a lot of issues regarding the important issues of the people of our state. We had the collective, discussion among all the parties. But since the government had already put in place the inquiry, everything will be looked into. As alleged, irregularities, mismanagement, the committee will give us all information. But there is no discussion to remove.
Okay.
Or to change the portfolio.
So the
report of the committee will come out, and we will look into that report. That's all. Actually, many issues like border issues, we call like a social welfare issue, like the so-called I mentioned MECL issue. We have discussed a lot.
I'm happy to inform that the committee has already been constituted to study on these allegations. The allegations with the Sobhagia, the allegations on the food scam, and the boundary dispute. So, looking forward with the Chief Ministers is visiting tomorrow. There's a meeting with the Chief Minister of Assam. to discuss further and to solve this problem once and for all. So these are the major points that were discussed today. We discussed this from day one when we have formed the MDA. We have discussed this from day one, as I mentioned just now. We have discussed also the same topic a few minutes back in the meeting. Well, let us wait for the outcome of the report. This is my submission. I would not like to say much at this point of time. We will let the inquiry be completed and they will submit the report. And whoever involved, if found guilty, we have already discussed with the Chief Minister that a person should be punished and no one should be spared. At this moment, I don't see anything of that kind of a situation. Let us wait for the report. Let us wait for the inquiry report, which we have already set up. The MDA has already set up the inquiry committee. So we'll wait on that.
There were lots of issues regarding the environment, regarding the. I have raised about the school children facing the lots of problems during the what do you call this one, the online classes and then those children who are not having the what do you call them, the smartphones and all, and those farmers who cannot afford to buy. So I requested at least if you could give the way during last government they have given this tablet for like class 12 and so I've requested on that basis if you can provide at least, I'm not saying 100%, but at least to few students like class 9, class 10, at least smartphones, maybe the lowest rate or maybe the lower rate you can say. So the government, the Chief Minister himself has told us that he will look into this matter. And then it was very clear also, the 30,000 household which was not been able to cover, it was by the RGGBY. So it was from the previous government, you can say, from 2000. It was supposed to be finished in 2013-14 like that. RGGBY, after that EU came, after that came, and then now Slovakia. So whatever we have got a report from right now, they're saying that like it's already 100%, and then the Slovakia especially. So whatever is left out is from this RGGBY DD.
Are you happy that this is being done at least?
Yes, there are a lot of deliberation, and then it's open.